Good morning, students. Once again, we are here to discuss the topic of biology chapter, and our recommended book is Science Biology of class 9, and our topic is cell organelles, and this is the sixth video part of this chapter. So, students, what are cell organelles? We all know that all living subcellular structures which were involved in different metabolic activities like biosynthesis, secretion, digestion, energy production, movement, locomotion, etc. so are crucial for survival of cell. Most of these are membrane bound and are absent in prokaryotic cells. These divide the cytoplasm into various compartments where different types of activities go on simultaneously. Endoplasmic reticulum, and the position of endoplasmic reticulum, in short we call ER. It is well developed electron microscopic network of tubules which is called branched and without ribosomes. Cistern, two-layered and studded with ribosomes, and vesicles oval and with ribosomes present throughout the cytoplasm. Especially in the endoplasm, it is present in the cells except prokaryotes and mammalian RBCs. Chemically, the ER is lipoproteinous and trilaminar like the plasma membrane. ER was discovered by Porter and co-workers 1945. Where is the structural component of ER? It means endoplasmic reticulum. So there are two types of endoplasmic reticulum, smooth and rough. In smooth endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are absent, and in rough endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are present. Lipid synthesis, protein synthesis, mainly cistern and mainly tubules. Lipid and steroid synthesizing cells and adipocytes, fat cells. Here, protein synthesizing cells, plasma cells produce antibodies. Functions of endoplasmic reticulum: it acts the cell circulatory system for transportation of materials, especially proteins, between various regions in the cytoplasm. It acts as a cytoskeleton and provides mechanical support and shape to the cells. Rough endoplasmic reticulum increases the rate of protein synthesis by the ribosomes. These protein may be used in the formation of new cells, membranes, membrane biogenesis, or act as enzymes or hormones. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, which is already involved in the biosynthesis of lipids, cholesterol, and steroid hormones. एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम एलिमेंट्स फॉर द न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन. सो स्टूडेंट, ये न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन के लिए भी काम करता है एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द सेल डिवीजन इट प्रोवाइड्स लार्ज सरफेस एरिया. एक सरफेस एरिया बड़े मात्रा में देता है फॉर वेरियस बायोकेमिकल एक्टिविटीज जो सेल्स में होते रहते हैं. स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम जैसे कि लिवर सेल्स है वर्टिब्रेट्स का, डिटॉक्सिफाइज मैनी पॉइजनस केमिकल्स एंड ड्रग्स. राइबोसोम्स, which is the next cell organelle. Ribosomes position क्या है स्टूडेंट्स इसका? These are the smallest known membraneless electron microscopic ribonucleoprotein particles as formed of RNA and proteins found in the both prokaryotes and eukaryotes. प्रोकार्योट्स और यूकार्योट्स दोनों में पाया जाता है स्टूडेंट्स. टू टाइप्स के राइबोसोम्स होते हैं जो उनके बेसिस ऑफ सेडिमेंटेशन कोफिशिएंट के आधार पे, जो 70s इन प्रोकार्योट्स एंड 80s इन यूकार्योट्स के रूप में होते हैं. स्ट्रक्चर: हर एक राइबोसोम्स फॉर्म्ड होते हैं दो अनइक्वल कंपोनेंट्स में. 70s राइबोसोम्स इज फॉर्म्ड ऑफ 50s एंड 30s सब यूनिट्स, वाइल 80s राइबोसोम्स पाए जाते हैं 60s एंड 40s सब यूनिट्स में. फंक्शंस क्या है? राइबोसोम्स आर साइट्स ऑफ प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस. राइबोसोम्स एक ऐसा जगह है सेल्स में जहाँ पे प्रोटीन का सिंथेसिस होता है एंड सो कॉल्ड प्रोटीन फैक्ट्रीज ऑफ और इंजन्स ऑफ सेल्स. इसको हम लोग प्रोटीन फैक्ट्रीज और इंजन्स ऑफ द सेल्स भी बोल सकते हैं. अब नेक्स्ट ऑर्गेनल है गोल्गी एपेरेटस और गोल्गी बॉडी. ये काफ़ी आपने सुना होगा जिसका नाम, इसको गोल्गी एपेरेटस से भी लोग बोलते हैं. पोजीशन क्या है? इट इज़ द लाइट माइक्रोस्कोपिक डिश colloidal structure present near the nucleus in all the eukaryotic cells except mammalian RBCs and mature sperm. It is also absent from the prokaryotes. It was discovered by Camillo Golgi in 1898 by Black reaction method using silver nitrate. Here the summary of Camillo Golgi is given. You can read from this clue box. Now, a structure of a Golgi apparatus. Golgi body is formed by three types of elements: cistern, two-layered and curved structure with swollen ends. These are placed one upon the other. Vacuoles near its concave side and bacillus near its convex sides. Here, this is the structure of Golgi body. Now, functions of Golgi apparatus. इट इज़ इन्वॉल्व इन द सेल सिक्रेशन. सेल के सिक्रेशन में मदद आता है स्टूडेंट्स. गोल्गी बॉडी एक्ट्स करता है स्टोरेज, मॉडिफिकेशन एंड कंडेंसेशन के रूप में. पैकेजिंग मेम्ब्रेन भी होता है. इट एक्युमुलेट्स एंजाइम्स, म्यूकस, हार्मोन्स एटसेट्रा. इट फॉर्म्स द एक्रोसोम ऑफ स्पर्म, लाइसोसोम्स एंड सिक्रेटरी वेसिकल्स containing cellular secretion. Golgi body forms a part of complex cytoplasmic membrane system. It participates in the formation of lysosomes also, and it is seat of biosynthesis of polysaccharides. It is seat of biosynthesis of glycoproteins, glycolipids by glycosylation, addition of polysaccharides to proteins and lipids. Golgi body acts as a director of intercellular macromolecular traffic, etc. That is, proteins synthesized in rough endoplasmic reticulum and lipid in smooth endoplasmic reticulum are carried to cistern of the Golgi body by the transition vesicles. In Golgi body, these materials are packed into secretory vesicles and transported to their required sites. Lysosomes एक ऐसा ऑर्गेनेल है स्टूडेंट. इट मीन्स लाइजो मीन्स डाइजेस्टिव एंड सोमो मीन्स बॉडी. इसका पोजीशन क्या है? ये एक लाइट माइक्रोस्कोपिक वेसिकुलर स्ट्रक्चर है जो कि फाउंड है कहाँ पे? साइटोप्लाज्म में ऑफ द यूकैरियोटिक एनिमल सेल्स में एक्सेप्ट मेमेलियन आरबीसीज. These are also found in protozoans and some fungi also. Structure each lysosome has a outer single limiting membrane होता है जो inner highly heterogeneous and granular matrix में formed होता है जहाँ पे digestive enzymes होते हैं. And इसको हम लोग और क्या बोल सकते हैं? Acid hydrolysis भी बोल सकते हैं. Operating at 5.0 pH. Functions क्या है? Lysosomes are involved in the intracellular digestion of foreign food. ये बाहर का जो भी foreign food उनको digestion में मदद करता है. Heterophagy or reserve food or some cell organelles, autophagy, so are called digestive bags भी इनको बोलते हैं हम लोग. These are involved in the autolysis and self digestion of cells after their death. इस कुछ cells के death होने के बाद उसको automatically digest कर देता है, इसीलिए इसको suicidal bags भी बोल सकते हैं हम लोग. These are also digest and engulf the dead cells inside the monocytes, so act as a garbage waste disposal system of cell, so form the natural scavengers, cleaner of cells of higher animals. Acrosome, a giant lysosome of sperm, releases lytic enzymes during its penetration into the ovum. These enzymes digest the egg envelopes. During the metamorphosis of a tadpole larva into frog, the lysosomes digest tails and gills. Lysosomes enzymes of seeds help in seed germination. Okay, that's all for today, students. We will discuss from the next topic, that is peroxisomes, and this is the end of this video now. Okay, students, that's all. Have a nice day.